Behind Saudi Arabia's glittering skyline lies a hidden archipelago of so-called care homes, where women are caged for stepping out of line. Dar Al Raya is a nationwide network of at least 11 state-run institutions. Officially they're homes for care and guidance. In reality they hold girls as young as 7 and women up to 30, banished for alleged moral or obedience offenses. Survivors described solitary confinement on arrival, invasive virginity checks, and weekly beatings for missing a prayer or saying a family name. Breakfast is laced with sedatives, cameras watch every move, and inmates are reduced to numbers. Freedom hinges on the very man who locked her up. Only a father, husband or brother can sign a woman out, or she must marry someone else. Many languish for years without ever facing a court. While Riyadh spends billions on skyscrapers, pop concerts and a World Cup bid, the male guardian system remains intact and women remain behind bars. High-rise glass does not equal human rights. Human rights group ALQST brands Dar Al Raya hell. Activists want the centers shut, the guardianship law scrapped, and proper shelters established. Above all, they ask us to amplify Saudi women's voices. Share this story, keep the spotlight burning, and refuse to let sports washing drown out the truth. Freedom for Saudi women starts with ending Dar Al Raya and the system that feeds it.